Grotto Falls Trail is a Great Smoky Mountains National Park trail that you locate by taking the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And as you're taking this road out to the trailhead, you'll pass the Noah Bud Ogle homestead over on the right, and this might be a scenic area that you want to visit for a little while. The road that goes out to the Grotto Fall trails from the Rainbow Fall Trail area is sometimes closed due to road conditions. They keep it closed during the winter and sometimes during the early spring weeks. And so if you go during this time frame, you might need to park at the second Rainbow Fall parking lot and access the Trillium Gap and the Grotto Fall Trail from there. When going on any hike, we recommend that you wear sturdy shoes, good socks, take along water and snacks, and possibly even hiking poles just to give you a little bit of extra stability on the trail. Starting at the second Rainbow Falls Trail parking lot does add some length onto your trail, but as you can see, it also gives you more opportunity to see some wildlife and some not so wildlife. This is the actual parking area for the Grotto Falls Trail. There are pit toilet facilities available, and if you follow through to the other end of the parking lot, you can begin accessing the Grotto Falls Trail, which is 1.4 miles from this point. We have frequently hiked the Grotto Fall Trail over the last 30 years. This is the first time that we've seen quite this much debris, trail hazard at the beginning of the trail. But it's a beautiful hike through an old growth hemlock forest where you can go up to a 25-foot high waterfall and actually go around behind it. And we've hiked this trail with family, with friends, with scout troops, with all different kinds of groups and ages and abilities. And our son actually joined us on the hike this last time that we hiked the trail. Now there are some water crossings along this trail, but the park has done an excellent job maintaining this trail. They have really been working on it in the last few years since the last time that we've hiked it, improving the trail, putting in steps, just making it very accessible to the public. Now, this is our, last day of winter hike?
Yeah, today's the 19th of March,
Yeah.
2022.
So the leaves on the trees aren't out yet, but I still think it's beautiful. Any comments you want to say? Nothing?
Nothing.
Sure?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm good.
It's a long way. You'll have to toss me. It is a long way.
Your finger's in the way. What?
So we're still on the Grotto Falls Trail, and we think this is probably one of the easiest falls to get to in the park, other than maybe Laurel Falls, or did you say it was Cataract Falls that's near the visitor center? Definitely one that you want to check out. This one. This one's kind of unique because you get to walk behind it. Check out the Smoky Mountains National Park website to get more information about the trail. Pets are not allowed on the trail. They do recommend that you're careful around the waterfall, water on the rocks and stuff like that. There sometimes is bear activity, and so come on this trail, enjoy it. It's beautiful, but at the same time, take care of yourself. Make sure you bring water, you bring snacks, and that kind of thing. In addition to the falls and the wildlife, don't forget to enjoy the flowers. Thank you for hiking with us today, and join us on our next M&M adventure. See you later.